Hey guys, Mike Hagan here from Hagan's Motor Pool in Rochester, New Hampshire. You might not know, but we're Stratford County's expert on the repair and maintenance of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. So if you're going to the dealer currently for your Mercedes-Benz repairs, we could be saving you a lot of money. As an example of our knowledge and great price, we have this 2008 E350 4MATIC with a check engine light on for code P2004, tumble flap on intake manifold stuck. This is a common problem with most V8 and V6 Mercedes-Benz engines from 2006 to 2012. Upon inspection, we found the tumble flap operating lever was broken. The original lever is plastic. The dealer solution is to replace the entire manifold with a new one that still has an inferior operating lever at a cost of $1,600. Our solution is to replace the operating lever with an upgraded stainless steel lever and to reuse the otherwise not defective manifold at a cost of $460. This is one of many examples of how we can save you thousands of dollars repairing and maintaining your Mercedes-Benz.